Hello everyone, Lisa here. In October, I posted a few tutorials showing how to start a launcher before the Windows desktop loads. Recently, I have been noticing multiple comments on these videos mentioning black screen issues. Now, the mod shown in these tutorials uses scripts that replace explorer.exe, which is responsible for starting the Windows desktop, with a launcher called Playnite. Then Playnite automatically runs explorer.exe to start the desktop. However, there are a few lines in these scripts that you will need to edit, and if there are any typos, it will result in a black screen. This is the first script shown in the videos. I'm purposely going to put a typo in it and save it as a .bat file. Now, if I run it as administrator and restart my Steam Deck, I will get a black screen. To get past this, hit Ctrl-Delete on your keyboard and open Task Manager. Click on File and select Run New Task. Type explorer.exe and hit Enter. Now you should see the Windows desktop. From here, I'm going to go over a few different ways to permanently fix the black screen issue. Look up either of my Windows videos and copy script 3 from the description. I'll also put a copy of this script in this video's description. Now paste it into Notepad and save it as a .bat file. Right-click on the file and run it as administrator. Now if you restart your computer, it should just load the Windows desktop. If that doesn't work, open Command Prompt as administrator and copy the second line of the script. Right-click on Command Prompt and hit Enter. You should see a message that says the operation completed successfully. If that doesn't work, or if you want to make sure the issue is resolved before restarting, open Regedit and go to the location specified in the second line of the script. You can do this by opening the various folders, or typing it in on the top bar and clicking the correct suggestions. Once you are in hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/currentversion/Winlogon, find the shell file and open it. Make sure value data is set to explorer.exe and click OK. Now if you restart your computer, the Windows desktop will open as normal. As usual, thanks for watching and subscribe for more Steam Deck tutorials.